to our video about 10 fun facts about Bitcoin crypto. Here are some interesting things you might not know about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin wasn't the first cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, it wasn't the first. In fact, there were several attempts to create digital currencies before Bitcoin, such as B-Money and BitGold. The mysterious creator of Bitcoin, the creator of Bitcoin, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, is still a mystery. It's not known whether Nakamoto is an individual or a group of people, and their true identity has never been revealed. Crypto and the SEC. Cryptocurrencies have had a rocky relationship with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Several cryptocurrencies have been sued or regulated by the SEC, including Ripple and Telegram. The first Bitcoin transaction. The first ever Bitcoin transaction was made on January 12, 2009. It was a transfer of 10 Bitcoins from Satoshi Nakamoto to Hal Finney, a programmer and early Bitcoin enthusiast. Crypto millionaires. There are currently over 100,000 Bitcoin millionaires in the world. These are people who hold at least $1 million worth of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin pizza. The first ever real-world transaction using Bitcoin was the purchase of 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins in 2010. Today, those same Bitcoins would be worth over $500 million. Crypto in space. In 2018, the first ever cryptocurrency transaction was made in space. A company called Blockstream sent a Bitcoin transaction from a satellite to a ground station in northern Canada. The mining process. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in exchange, they receive newly created cryptocurrencies as a reward. Cryptocurrency forks. When a cryptocurrency's code is changed, it can result in a fork, a split in the blockchain. This has happened several times with Bitcoin, resulting in the creation of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV. The environmental impact. The process of mining cryptocurrencies requires a lot of energy, and some people have criticized it for its negative impact on the environment. However, some cryptocurrencies are working on using renewable energy sources to power their mining operations. And those are 10 fun facts about Bitcoin crypto. We hope you enjoyed learning something new today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in creating incredible AI-generated videos, be sure to check out Kaiber.ai. In the description, you'll find my personal referral link, which you can use to sign up and start exploring the platform. As a bonus, I receive Kaiber credits for every referral, so by using my link, you'll be supporting me and helping me generate even more great content. Additionally, I wanted to mention that I use Descript to create my own AI overdub, and you can find my affiliate link for that in the description as well. Feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Thanks for watching.